Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to set up Shopify Payments in 2026. If you want to accept credit cards and start receiving money from customers, this is an important step. Yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're ready to set up payments. Now from the left menu, click on Settings. This is where all your store configurations are located. Next, click on Payments. Here you will see different payment options available for your store. Now select Shopify Payments and click on Activate or Set Up. After that, you will need to enter your business details. This includes your business address, phone number, and tax information. Make sure everything is accurate. Next, enter your banking details. This is where your earnings will be sent, so double-check your account number and routing details carefully. Now review your information one more time before saving. Any mistake here can delay your payouts. Once everything is correct, click Save or Activate Shopify Payments. The system will verify your details and enable payments for your store. After activation, you can start accepting payments from customers using credit cards and other supported methods. And that's it. Your Shopify Payments is now set up and ready to use for your online business. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Shopify guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.